Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cleansing so the serum can penetrate. After patting dry, dispense 3 to 5 drops of a 10-20% vitamin C serum into your palm. Once in your hand, rub your palms together briefly to warm and slightly spread the product. This activates fluidity and prevents excess pooling. Then, using your palms, press the serum gently into the cheeks, forehead, and chin. Don't rub harshly. This palm press method preserves the serum's structure and ensures even distribution. Once you've pressed serum onto all zones, continue with controlled, outward palm presses to promote absorption. You do 6 to 8 gentle presses per area, moving from nose outward to cheeks and up to the forehead. This respects lymph flow and reduces irritation. Make sure to avoid eyelids and lips because vitamin C can sting mucous membranes. After you finish, wait 60 to 90 seconds for the serum to set into the skin barrier before applying moisturizer or sunscreen, so the active ingredient stabilizes and works effectively. You finish by sealing the vitamin C with a hydrating moisturizer and a broad-spectrum SPF during the day. This locks in benefits and prevents oxidative damage. If you experience stinging, redness, or flaking, stop. Rinse with lukewarm water and switch to a lower concentration or use the serum every other day to build tolerance. When problems persist, consult a professional. Also, make sure to store the serum in a cool, dark place and toss it after its expiration. Degraded vitamin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.